Hello YouTube, welcome to another video from Fastback Racing. Today we are installing a button, and that button is to replace the startup button that came in with this one. Now the instructions here have you like they try to make it complicated. So there's the instructions. But my friend Josh, he already installed one in his EcoBoost, and we're going to be using dental tools. So come and enjoy the install. Okay, so this is the original button that came in factory, and we're going to put it on the other button, which is actually the GT 350 button, which is red. I like red, and I think it's going to look better.
Fastback Racing fans, so I'm going to be helping out my buddy Jason here do his GT 350 style start-stop button. It's the red button here, and so as he said before, the directions included have you spend about 2 to 3 hours taking apart all the dashboard trim pieces to get to this button to take it out. The guys at CJ Pony Parts have detailed some directions that include being very careful with dental picks to pop out the button here. They suggest disconnecting the battery so that you don't inadvertently start your car up. I managed to do it without pulling the battery out, but you have to be very careful so that you don't scratch up any of the dashboard trim pieces. So we're going to be using both of these picks here to try and pop this out. Cheap of a dental pick to use. So, you know what? Let me go get one of my tools that I was able to use to get this piece out, and I'll be right back. I use for repairing a lot of smartphones and smaller electronics devices. And I used the spudger from this toolkit to very carefully pry out the start-stop button, which you have to be very careful. And you don't scratch up the dashboard trim pieces. Alright, so that piece is popped out. Now we can get to the other side. Okay, perfect. The button is out.
So
that's the factory button, red trim with silver color. Doesn't look as nice. So once that button is out, you just line this one up with the start-stop light. Push it in. Till you hear it click. And you're all done.
All right. All right, Racer, start your engine. Oh, I love the red button. It's so much better than this red and silver. So there you have it, easy install. Don't get the dental tools like Josh told me. Get like a phone, cell phone toolkit that has a plunger. Let me show.
Something like this.
Yeah. All right. So that's how you install the button for 2015 to 2017 Mustangs. Don't get dental picks. Get some other tools. So I hope you liked the second mod for Ruby. There's more modifications coming. Performance, that's going to be happening in spring 2018. I got to save up some money for the performance part that I want. So stay tuned. We got some more little modifications. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Thank you.